Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad with Roshni. Today's English headlines. Pak origin cardiac magician Hina Chaudhary featured among top US cardiologists. Renowned Pakistan origin cardiologist known as cardiac magician Dr. Hina Chaudhary, who researched cardiac regeneration in which dead heart cells after a heart can be regenerated, has been named amongst the top science fellows by National Institute of Health in the US. Muhammad Ali Sadpara successfully climbs K2 in winter expedition. Pakistani mountaineer Muhammad Ali Sadpara has successfully climbed the 8,611-meter K2, the world's second highest mountain, and hoisted the flag of Pakistan during the K2 winter expedition. CPEC to contribute in Pakistan's economic progress. Senator Saif, Convener Senate Special Committee on National Cohesion, Senator Muhammad Ali Saif said China-Pakistan Economic Corridor offered huge job opportunities which were needed to be utilized in favor of Pakistan, especially for developing the industrial sector of the country. Suspected gas blast hurts 5 in Bordeaux, 2 missing report. A suspected gas blast tore through a private garage in the southwestern French city of Bordeaux in the morning, collapsing a nearby building and leaving 5 people shell-shocked and 2 others missing. Police van attacked, 2 outlaws injured. Police van came under attack reportedly by accomplices of the 2 accused persons, who were taken away to recover weapons used in multiple robbery cases with police station Sadr Shujaabad. One held for selling kites in Sialkot. Yugoki police arrested a man for selling kites and recovered 300 kites and 50 spools of twine from his possession. 2 held with weapons in Sargodha. Police arrested 2 persons and recovered weapons from their possession. Woman killed, husband injured in road accident. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, subscribe it, like it, share it and comment on it. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.